Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will review one of the top most university in India, that is the Bennett University, Greater Noida. Okay, so I will give you the complete detail about the Bennett University. Why should you choose the Bennett University, or what is the demerit of Bennett University? What is the placement statistics of Bennett University? Campus life कैसा है भाई? Media Center, Innovation Center. I will give you the complete detail about this particular topmost university all over the India. So first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel for such important video. So let us review this important college, that is the Bennett University. So let me talk something more about the Bennett University, that what is actually the Bennett University and what is its other things. Okay, means what is actually about that. Okay, so I am giving you the detail that the Bennett University, the topmost university all over the India, and it was established in 2016 and it is affiliated to UGC, so there is no any problem regarding the UGC approval. Okay, so UGC approved hai, so you can clearly believe in this college. Okay, this is one of the topmost engineering university, I have already said, and the second emerging engineering institute in all over the India. Okay, so Bennett University actually a group, means it is actually a Times India groups, and I think that you are very well known over the Times group, that is popular brand all over the India, and this is the topmost college that provide all the facilities too, that I will talk in the later. Okay, so let me first give you the detail about that, what are the courses that they offer. So they offer the UG courses, PG courses, PGD courses. Okay, and beside that they offer the UG courses such as the BTech, okay, BTech in CSC, BSc honors, BCA, okay, BA, BBA, BLB, BA Films, BA Liberal Arts, BA JMSc, BBA, BSc Physics. So variety of courses offered by the Bennett University. Okay, talking to the more programs. So what about the more programs? So there are some actually others such as the PG program for the MBA, MBA BFS, MBA LSSC, PG in diploma. So if you are interested in these courses, then this college may be your good choices. Okay, so also they have already, I have said that LLB honors and BBA LLB. So these are the courses that is provided. Talking about the completely about the BTech courses. So what are the BTech courses that are provided? Okay, so as you know that the counseling will already go happening, and students have actually in a dilemma that which college I should choose. So I think that this may be your choices. Okay, so depending on that I will talk about the all things about the merit demerit. So depending on that you can choose that whether I should choose this college or not. So what are the courses for the BTech? See, BTech in CSC, BTech in engineering physics, BTech in electronics computing, BTech in ME mechanical engineering, biotechnology, and also you can do the BTech plus MTech integrated course. Okay, so that is the 5-year course and you can do this. Okay, so that is about the programs that is offered by the Bennett University. Now moving to the next, that is very important, that placement, because the placement is ultimate goal for the every student. Okay, so what about the placement statistics? Okay, so in terms of placement wise, this is the again marvelous college in terms of placement, and so far for the BTech courses 190 plus participating organization have came into this college, and they offer average package 11.1 LPA. That is magnificent for any college. भाई कोई भी college के लिए इतना LPA का जा रहा, then it is no doubt top things. Okay, and the highest package that I have already I want to say that 57.0 LPA so far, and they are means placement scenario is continuously going on. Okay, so placement भाई अभी भी चल रहा है, and many students are waiting for the result on all things. So talking about the company, or you can say recruiter that has visited in this college. So Adobe, Amazon Web Services, Applyboard, Benny Million, Capgemini, Coca-Cola, Amazon, Amio, Bloomy, Cadence, Cisco, Codenation. There are variety of other recruiters too that visit in this college. Okay, so you can also have a visualize that Dell, Pico, Fleetlex, variety of company visited here. Okay, similarly you can see the placement for the MBA courses, and MBA recruiters are Byju's, Captivia, HDFC, HCL, all things. Okay, besides that, see, it have a great recruiter in the media sector too. So that is all about the, and average LPA is 4.56 LPA and the highest is 9.0. For the BA MGMC key recruiter 19 participating organization, and average package is 6.58 LPA. So this is all about the placement structure. So you can clearly visualize that, no doubt by placement wise this is on the good college and you can believe in this institute. Okay, so that is all about the placement statistics of the Bennett University. Now moving to the next, very important, that the campus life, because by campus is something that you have to visit every day. Okay, भाई तो campus कैसा है? Can I get the facility of the other extracurricular activities such as cricket, football, badminton? So भाई खेल इसमें भर के है, means you will enjoy the good campus life and other extracurricular activities too. So they also focus on various extracurricular activity, you can have observe the clear the photo cut of that. So they have a participation and tour camp. Beside that, they have the various lecture hall and all things. In terms of infrastructure, so if I talk about the infrastructure, so वही infrastructure कैसा है? 24/7 ATM on campus, so no need to go anywhere. ATM will be provided in the Bennett University, so you will enjoy, means you will avail the ATM services. For the sports complex, so they have a sports complex where you can get all things. Also they have a residential life, means especially there is also some life, or you can say the PG for the guest also, to means guest out somehow, and for the hostel also available in this college. So you can have a look at the hostel view of this college. So well furnished hostel and all things are provided. Okay, this is all about the student. Besides this, other service such as the shopping and dining, so you can do the shopping, wellness center, and these are the basically facilities that available in this. Okay, so campus life overall very fine. You will enjoy all things. कहीं के भाई कोई भी चीज़ का जरूरत है, you can easily get into this because canteens and all things are already available in this. Okay, so that is all about the campus life of this college. Now moving to again very important, that is the fee structure. Why, what about the fee structure of this college? Okay, because every student having a doubt that should I have to pay more or that all things. So talking about the fee structure, first for the BTech. So for the BTech fee structure, this is actually the BTech fee structure. So for the first year you have to pay 3,60,000, second year 3,60,000. Okay, so total is 14 lakh for the BTech. Okay, and living expenses is this is 70,000 for the all over. Okay, means you have to pay 7 lakh for the all over 4 year, means 1,75,000 for the first year. Okay, and annual hostel charge means all things included in the living expenses. So you have to do just one payment and you will avail all services such as lodging, laundry, boarding, tune sharing, and all this important facility. For the BTech of NRI candidates, so NRI candidates have some other means data. Okay, so you can visit that. Okay, talking about the BCA courses, so what about the fee structure of BCA? So you can clearly visualize that 1,70,000 for the first year, 1,70,000 for second year, total 5,10,000. Okay, similarly for the BBA courses, so what about the fee structure for the BBA courses? So for the BBA courses, amount for the hostel you have to pay 5 lakh. Okay, means total for the twin sharing. And talking about the fee structure, so annual fee structure for the first year you have to pay 2,550,000, and similarly for the total 7,50,000. Living expenses is about 5,25,000, means by total आपका about 12,30 lakhs तक चला जाएगा BBA courses. And BA in LLB, that is the very popular college of this, means that is the popular branch of this. So what about the fee structure? So 5,90,000 total fee, and means that was the living expenses. And for the first year you have to pay 3,40,000 and total is 17 lakh. Okay, so that is all about the fee structure of the BA LLB course. Remaining you can visit here. I will provide the link in the description. From there you can check out that. Okay, now moving to next, that is the very important about the conclusion, and little bit I will talk about the internship and other extra things too. So this this provide the internship offer and other things too. So yeah, this college provide the internship facility for various students, and many of the students have got the internship in various institute, and they are availing the service of the internship. Okay, so this is Java means capability to internship, and they have a separate sales also for the placement. Okay, so various students get the placement so far, and you may be the other. So if you want to join, then you can I will provide the link in the description. आपको link description में दे देंगे. Just you have to fill out the form. Other things that will be done by the our member. Okay, so आपको वही बस वो form fill up कर देना. उसके बाद a person will call you. Okay, and depending on that whatever the interest, all the courses you will means you can ask all your doubt there. Okay, आपको कोई भी doubt है आप पूछ सकते हैं. I will provide the link in the description. From where you can just you have to fill up the form. Payment वगैरह कुछ नहीं करने का, and check out that. Okay, so this is all about the BTech, or you can say the Bennett University. That is the important college for the Times India groups, and one of the marvelous college and emerging college all over the India. So guys, this is all about the Bennett University. Now last point that is very important, that pros and cons. So pros I have already mentioned various, that is good placement, good infrastructure and all basic facility available. But what about cons of this college? So one cons I think that little bit costly. Okay, though this college provides some scholarship for the selected students, but वही थोड़ा fee हमको लगा थोड़ा ये थोड़ा costly है, but yeah, it according to your budget it may be manageable, and that's all about things, and remaining all over the fine. Okay, So this is all about the complete review of the BNET University. I hope this video will really helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to share with your friends so they can also get help from my video. So फिलहाल वीडियो में इतना ही था. Till then, bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.
Oh,